Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Genshin Impact for beginners easy method. Begin by creating your account, choosing a nearby server, and finishing the prologue to learn core controls. Open the map, set waypoints, and follow quests to gain simple rewards. Focus on one main character and 2 supports to simplify combat while you learn. Keep exploring, collecting resources, and using the Adventurer's Handbook to track tasks and earn primogems naturally. Pick a clear team goal and build around it, such as elemental resonance or a strong main DPS. Prioritize leveling one main character, one support, and one healer to keep progression steady. Farm local world bosses and domains that drop useful ascension materials for your chosen characters. Spend resin wisely on essential bosses and weekly priorities so you don't stall your account growth or waste resources on low-value targets. Explore every region at a relaxed pace to find chests, puzzles, and teleport waypoints that make future runs faster. Gather local specialties and ore nodes for character and weapon ascensions, and stock up on food for emergency heals. Use map pins and the Adventurer's Handbook checklist so you never miss important resources. Rotate domains and bosses each week to maximize resin efficiency while progressing your preferred characters steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.